So, and then there was this one morning where I woke up, my stomach felt like it was trying to jump out of my body. My stomach was on fire, burning. My back ached. And then that's when I reached down between my legs. And I came up with blood on my hands. So I rushed to the bathroom and I looked at myself in the reflection. There was blood on my face. My reflection, it didn't even look like me. It looked like some just beaten down, weak, pathetic, sick. I was disgusted with the way that I looked. Just who I was, and somewhere in my mind I don't know. I just couldn't think straight, and I couldn't process what was actually going on. I just saw the emptiness. I saw all the old memories and the new memories that were all surfacing, and I just remembered back to when I was just that pretty little girl. You know, everyone always said, that pretty little girl. Damn it. I could not take the idea that one more person had fucked with my mind, had violated me.